Make sure push and twist them all the way in so that they're flush. It's got some venting on the bottom, venting on the back, sides, both sides, all the way around. Instructions say to make sure when you use this, it's flat bottom. You don't want any curved bottom, concave in this direction or convex in this direction. Got it plugged in, turn it on for the first time. Probably going to smell like manufacturing. You can see a little vapor coming off here. There's something on that thing. Let me turn that off. Looks like it's glue or something. I don't want to smell that. All right, got it wiped off. Plug it back in. Give it another try. I did push down on this, make sure it was flat. It was wobbling a little bit. See how hot these get. That plate right there is 200 degrees. Can't measure that, it's not returning. It's too hot. But be careful, that's hot. These are both 1,000 watt. If you turn them way down to 1, that's just a warming setting. This is limited to 500 degrees. So, can't, it's over 500 right now. It's really hot. To measure inside is 425, 440. Let's see, this one fits on here. It's a 10.5 inch pan, and across the top here anyway, 7-inch pot. Yeah, it's got good room on it. Took 6 minutes to start to boil, 5 to 6 minutes.